Hey crafty friends, welcome to a design team project for scrapbooking with me. And I have been wanting to create these for a long time. My inspiration is my crafty crush, which is Linda Faith Chick 777, and I just watched, she has like, I don't know, 4 or 5 videos where she created cards like this, and I so wanted to do them. So let's get started. There are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 cards. I'm going to start with the images that have this little girl. I have 2 of these, and you know, obviously these are going to be vintage style cards. All of them have vintagey images, and I just wanted them to really look vintage. This is a 5x7 card. I had this in my stash, this what do you call this, paper clip. It already had the charm on it, and it matches the paper. What I used on this card from Scrapbooking with me are these beautiful 49th and Market flowers. So just layering, you know, I've got some lace. The sentiment says, I may not always be there with you, but I will always be there for you. And that's why I use the little image of the little girl calling, because she's not with that person, but she can always be there for that person via the telephone. These are just some random papers I had in my stash. And then I used a sticker that says friendship. And then when you open it up, I just used some of the leftover scraps of paper and did a little collage, and then plenty of room to write the message. So my other one with that little girl says, though miles lie between us, we are never far apart, for friendship doesn't count the miles, it's measured by the heart. And I used this little heart charm from my stash. More of the 49th and Market flowers, and this one was actually a big flower, and I just took the center, tore it out, and used it here. And they do come with the leaves. So this is was a pre-cut card. These are ones you can get at your local craft store. And then Live a Beautiful Life on the inside. So those are my 2 little girls on the telephone. I'm going to go with this one next. I don't think these are vintage little girls. These are actually more modern looking little girls, but they were in black and white, so then I coffee dyed them. And I'm having some issues with lines in my printer, but to me it makes the image look a little more vintage. So on this one, I did use a graphic 45 tag die in my background. It did kind of end up disappearing a little bit. But the 49th and Market flowers here. This is just a little clock from my stash and some die cuts I had already die cut. This says the loveliest things. And then the little sentiment says lovely moments with a little camera. And that opens up like that. So I did just punch this edge so that when the card is closed, it looks like it has a punched edge. Then my other one with those same little girls doing their makeups is good times are made even better when they are shared with good friends. And you can see the 49th and Market flowers come in a variety of quite a few different colors. I used this little mint colored background, little doodad from the collection I worked with. I do have a lamp post back here. Lesson 175. And then that opens up, making beautiful memories every day. And then your sentiment area. Okay. Then I have this one. And again, the beautiful 49th and Market flowers. And then layering, I found these two little girls on the swings just having a blast. And it says, the good things in life are better with you. And this one says live, because they're definitely living. And then I got a little sticker. It says laughter. And that opens up, and the arrow says just perfect. So what's on the front is just perfect. Then I have this one, the two little girls walking home together with their arms wrapped around each other. One of them's got an umbrella, and it says, you are perfect to me. Just layering a bow, this pretty heart lock, and then it says friendship up here, the 49th and Market flowers, and I do have a graphic 45 tag die in the background. And then it opens like that, and it says smile. All right, the last ones are pretty funny. I'm gonna go with this one first. And I just loved her. She's drinking a cup of tea and just laughing. It says, thanks to you, I laugh a little harder, cry a little less, and smile a lot more. Laughter sticker there. 49th and Market flowers. And it opens up and it says, thank you. Because it says, thanks to you. And then this one, again, that same lady, it says perfectly happy here. It says, you are my happiness. Then we've got our 49th and Market flowers. We have a little, this is actually a charm with what looks like a letter. And then a heart and lock and a key. And it opens like that. Live, laugh, love. Then our last two cards. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so funny. Okay. So we've got this little girl. And again, I got the lines in my image. But when I coffee dyed her, to me, it just looked like old vintage photograph. So she's singing into the hairbrush. We've got the charm that says joy that matches the mint colored papers, and the 49th and Market flower matches the collection so nicely. And it says, when you love what you have everything you need. And then down here it says, the music of my heart. And this one opens up. Our story begins with love. I love her. She's so cute. So this one, same image, and this one says, a friend is someone who knows the song in your heart and sings it back to you when you have forgotten the words. Perfect sentiment, right? And then professor of music. The graphic 45 tag die back there, and the 49th and Market flowers. They come with these little sprays that stick in. And that opens. Enjoy the little things in life. All right, those are my cards, guys. I hope you enjoyed them. Linda, if you're watching, I tried to do you justice. I don't know. I tried. But you're such an inspiration to me, and I had so much fun creating these. I really did. Had a lot of fun. And I want to do more. So stay tuned for more. But let me know what you think of these, guys. I'm definitely going to have these for sale in my tea store. I'm not sure if I'm going to list these, but if there's anything you want, just message me and we'll work it out. All right, have a happy scrappy day. Check out the links in the description box down below for scrapbooking with me. And they have so much new stuff, guys. So many of the latest items. You have to head over there and do some shopping. Summer shopping. Treat yourself. Happy scrappy day. Bye.